I saw the pig late night on my feed, scrolling through memories. It's all I need. The smile, it's hard, can't escape this pain. It's there on my screen, but I can't have it again. 2 a.m. mind's wide awake, old chats and photos I can't forsake. Try to move on, but the scroll pulls me in. One glance at the past and I'm trapped in the spin. Heartbeats like notifications going wild. Every memory hits is raw and wild. Timeline's a battlefield, I'm losing control. The feed's full of echoes, the ghost takes its toll. I saw the pig late night on my feed, scrolling through memories. It's all I need. The smile hits hard, can't escape this pain. It's there on my screen, but I can't have again. DMs unread, words left unsent. Late night regrets, energy spent. Notifications flash, but it's not the same. Every like, every tag just fuels the flame. Told myself move on, but the scroll says no. Caught in the shadows of a past I know. Every ringtone echoes, pulls me back in. The heart keeps playing the game I can't win. Can't block, can't mute, can't hide this fight. The feed's alive while the heart aches tonight. Screens glow bright, memories replay. Midnight's my stage, lost in yesterday. I saw the picture